Step 3. Skin the fish. Step 4. Debone the fish. Step 5. Skin the fish. Step 6. Debone the fish. Step 7. Don't egg the fish. Step 7. Don't egg. Step 7. Don't egg the fish! Stop egging the fish! Please! Stop! Stop egging the fish! Stop it right now or I quit! Step 7. Don't egg the fish.
Step 7. Egg the fish. Step 8. Skin the fish. Step 9. Debone the fish. Step 10. Bathe in the fish. Place down a plate. Place down a plate. Place down a plastic plate.
Still stained, go over it again. 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 Go over it again. Go over it again. Go over it again.
Germs and bacteria from your toothbrush in a matter of minutes. Coat in bicarb soda and vinegar.
One cup of chocolate syrup. And finally, 1 cup of chocolate sauce. Turn on the mixer. 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 Uh-oh. Looks like we accidentally spilled some of the mixture. To ensure that the quality of the chocolate isn't compromised, we're gonna have to restart the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: cocoa powder, white sugar, brown sugar, icing sugar, raw sugar, dark brown sugar, maple syrup, butter, egg. More eggs. Add. Come on! Thank you. Mix by hand. Perfect. Now that we've finished making the chocolate, it's time to mold it.
Perfect. The door is no longer squeaky. Apply more lubricant. You don't need doors. Look how much quicker it is to enter a room when it doesn't have a door.
Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It's burnt! Oh, for fuck's sake! Into the egg mixture. Now, take the bread and carefully place it onto the hot skillet. I said carefully. Let's try that again. Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Carefully place it onto the hot skillet. That's too hard. Dunk the bread carefully. Don't do that. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop it. Dunk the bread carefully. Stop it! Dunk the bread. Carefully. Please, stop! Dunk the bread. Carefully place it. Please! Dunk the bread. I'm so sick of this! Dunk the bread. Dunk the bread. Dunk the... Dunk... 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 If you do it again, I quit! Take a slice of bread and dunk it into the egg mixture. Now, take the bread and carefully place it onto the hot skillet. Go f*** yourself.
Now that we have finished adding the egg, now that we have finished it, please stop, no more. If you throw another egg, I quit. Now that we have finished adding the eggs, it's time to go f*** yourself.
Microwave for 10 minutes. The meal is ruined. 10 minutes is too long. What the were you thinking? Microwave for 9 minutes and 30 seconds. It's frozen. Microwave for 9 minutes and 50 seconds. It's ruined again. Microwave for 9 minutes